So today I'll be answering the question, does the Redmi Note 15 Pro have eSIM support? And the simple answer is yes and no. So there are actually two versions of the Redmi Note 15 Pro. This particular one is a Redmi Note 15 Pro and it does not say 5G here. So that means this is a 4G version. So there's a 4G version, which is this one that says nothing. And then there's a 5G version, which says Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. Okay. So this version, which is the 4G version, does not support eSIM, but the 5G version does support eSIM. So this one, this is the normal 4G version. If I go to settings and go to mobile networks, you can see there's no eSIM support. It does support two physical nano SIM cards and can still have a dual SIM setup, but there's no eSIM support on this one. But if you go for the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, that one does support 5G. I mean, it does support eSIM. Thanks for watching and good luck.